to The Angle. It's Ayushi. Let's have a look at our top stories, but as usual, we begin with headlines. President Kovind removes Kiran Bedi as Puducherry Lieutenant Governor amid Congress crisis. COVID cases sees a new spike in Maharashtra. Mumbai Mayor warns of another lockdown. Rahul Gandhi on a 4-day Puducherry visit will campaign for poll-bound elections. South Africa's Faf du Plessis announces retirement from Test cricket. Amid strong protest, French Parliament still manages to approve Islamist separatism bill. France, home to Europe's largest Muslim community, is still shaken by the succession of massacres committed by Islamist militants from January 2015 that left hundreds dead. France's lower house of parliament approves on Tuesday a law to fight extremism and Islamist separatism. The National Assembly lower house voted on the legislation after a total of 135 hours of debates that saw some 313 amendments adopted. Meanwhile, a strong protest against the bill were witnessed in the country with over 200 people demonstrating in Paris last week. Nearly 4,000 Amazon employees were given fake positive results for the deadly coronavirus and they were asked to self-isolate in UK. Amazon UK has been using PCR tests to check its employees for coronavirus since autumn last year. Reports of the results are sent to Public Health England every day, and this turned out the 3853 Amazon employees were mistakenly told they had tested positive, whereas they had all tested negative for the deadly coronavirus. This also raised questions over the accuracy and capacity of the NHS Test and Trace app, and many contemplated if the app can handle all of the pressure. Rashtrapati Bhavan withdraws Kiran Bedi from the post of Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry. The development comes as the Congress government has lost its majority in Puducherry with the resignation of 4 MLAs since last month. These include the resignations of A. Namasivayam and E. Thipanjan, who are now part of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Mallari Krishna Rao and John Kumar. The fifth leader, N. Dhanavelu, was disqualified last year from the Congress for allegedly working against the interest of the party. In a letter after her removal, Bedi thanked the government for a lifetime experience in serving Puducherry. Now, Dr. Tamilisai Soundararajan, Governor of Telangana, will take the additional charge of the Union Territory. With a spike in COVID-19 cases in Maharashtra's capital Mumbai, BMC plans to pull another lockdown in the city. The sudden surge in COVID-19 cases has become very concerning for the people of Mumbai. The city's mayor Kishori Pednekar pointed out at the possibility of another lockdown if the cases keep surging and people don't follow precautions set by the government. The sudden surge in cases has instilled fear in Mumbaikars. Taking cognizance of the situation, the BMC has stated issuing notices to residential societies in the ward with the subject line, appeal instructions to all societies to follow strict COVID-19 guidelines. Amid political turmoil, Rahul Gandhi addresses public meeting in Puducherry. Here's what he has to say, have a look. Rahul Gandhi interacted with the citizens of Puducherry. Also, Rahul campaigned for the upcoming poll-bound elections. Rahul Gandhi's state visit assumes significance amid the turmoil in Puducherry. Congress government headed by Chief Minister V. Narayanaswamy is seeking to return to power after the assembly polls which are due later this year in the Union Territory. Meanwhile, Kiran Bedi has been removed as the Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry. The Congress leader will undertake his next phase of campaign and roadshow for 3 days on February 27, 28 and March 1. He will extensively tour Tuticorin, Virudhunagar, Tirunelveli, Tenkasi and Kanyakumari. While addressing media in Dausa, MP Kirodilal Meena was seen advising former Deputy CM of Rajasthan Sachin Pilot to shake hands with BJP. Kirodilal Meena expressed concerns over sideline of Sachin Pilot in Congress. Meena said Sachin Pilot is a talented leader blessed with great political skills and his skills are of no use to Congress now as the party has almost sidelined him. Thus, Pilot should value his self-respect and leave Congress. He didn't stop here. Meena went on comparing Pilot with American President Joe Biden, but just like Biden, which took him 28 years of struggle to become a president, so Pilot also need to have patience if he wants to reach where he aspires to be. Sensex Nifty retreats record highs amid heavy sell-off from Wednesday. The NSE Nifty 50 index was down 0.35%, while the S&P BSE Sensex was 0.42% lower at 51,883.7. Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone gained 4.6% after it earned marked $1.4 billion to develop a new port. Other Asian stock markets were also largely weaker after a mixed close on Wall Street overnight. The top three drags on the Nifty 50 were HDFC Bank, mortgage lender HDFC and Axis Bank, followed by Nestle India. Former protest captain Faf du Plessis, who played 69 tests for South Africa, announces his retirement. While announcing retirement, Plessis wrote an emotional message, quote, "My heart is clear and the time is right to walk into a new chapter," unquote. He represented South Africa in 69 tests and scored 4163 runs at an average of 40.02. He scored 10 centuries and registered his highest score of 199 in 2020. He had a memorable test debut against Australia and Adelaide in 212, where he scored 78 in the first inning and followed it up with a maiden test century in the second. His final test came in Rawalpindi against Pakistan earlier this month. Well, that's a wrap with me. In case you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel The Angle. Also like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.